What'd you find?
Come. Yeah, there's lots. Come.
What? Oh, wow.
Bright light, huh?
Mm-hmm.
You gotta find them.
The ones that are like,
Wow. Wow. What's that? What's that? More eggs.
Look. It's bubbles. Right here.
She didn't know she had to look for shapes like that.
Yeah.
Put it in your basket.
Gotta put it in your basket.
Good girl.
Oh.
that's what I'm saying, boy.
I like that one. It's stuck in the bush. That's one I did not see.
Wow.
Good job, buddy.
Good eye there.
Don't pick up the brown ones.
Don't pick up the brown eggs.
Here, Soda.
Good work,
Pop this in
Soda.
there.
Oh, look, there's a skipping rope.
Look, skipping rope. See here?
Whoa.
She's one heck of a skipper. You gonna skip?
Oh no. Well, baby.
Yeah,
Baby. Hi, baby.
you can skip. Show Auntie how you can skip. It's hard to see this. Skip, skip, skip. Don't forget your basket. Don't forget your basket.
Good one.
Yeah.
It's a good place to hide it.
It's a hard
So do you want to look for some more eggs?
Gotta have the eagle
Here,
eye.
let's put your rope in here. Auntie will put your rope in there.
No.
No.
Soda, what's that? Look. Look. Right there on the slide.
Oh my goodness.
Stretch. Get it. Get it.
Oh no.
Hi.
Oh no. You could go to the other side.
Okay.
Oh! Egg.
Yeah. Good for you. Up in the tree.
Wow.
Tree.
This might be hard for her to get.
Can you see that? Nice.
Good girl.
Look, there's one right there. Here, do you want me to help you get it? Ready?
Nice work, Mason.
Grab the egg.
Whoa.
Oh, honey.
No, I know. Oh, wow.
Watch your head.
Oh, can't put Mika down the slide.
She's gonna be riding me.
Oh.
Oops.